Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out these DuraTherm liners by Legend Fleet Solutions. Now you can see we have our liners right here. They are made with a durable plastic on the outside with a foam insulation barrier on the other side of the liner to help reduce road noise and help with temperature control as well. These are in the textured gray color. They also come in a white. And they just make our van look, brand new when you have this nice cover right here, both top and bottom. Super simple to install. Push button rivets on the bottom, and then on the top we're using a self-tapping screw in a few areas, all of which have been marked by Legend. So all you got to do is line up your screw, hold things in place, zip them in. Now, these are gonna help increase the lifetime of your van, keep it free from getting dinged up and scraped up from shifting cargo or putting stuff in. And it's a great investment for your van to keep it safe and keep it running well. You can find door liners for your Transit Connect or any cargo van you have at upfitsupply.com to keep your work van work ready.